And we are back live at the Cheers to You event put on by Notary Plus and Assured Partners and Venture Title as well. Real estate networking here in Lake Mary at the Cork and Olive. You still have a little bit of time to get down here and get some good wine and some food laid out there. And the guest sitting with me today, Shana Wooten. Welcome to the show. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing wonderful.
Awesome.
All right. So what I like to do when I'm kind of sitting with this is assume I know nothing, right? Assume I know nothing, which I probably don't. But assume I know nothing. What do you do? Walk me through it. Give me the baby steps.
Okay. So we are a mortgage broker, and what we do is look at your situation and match.
You can pull that wherever you want to.
Okay.
Wherever you want to. Right to you, twist it, turn it, throw it out. Doesn't matter.
That's fine. So we match you with the right loan for you. So many people go to the big banks or different companies and they just put you in their round hole. They try to force your square peg into what they do and try to get you closed with them that makes them the most money.
So if I go to a bank, say I want to buy a house, they're going to go, okay, well, here's our plans, here's our specials, here's this, we'll make you fit in one of our products.
Exactly, and they usually only have just a few products. They have such a big funnel, they have to streamline their process and just really make it easy for them to move you through their process. So they're not looking at what's best for you or for what strategies will be better for you in your long-term financial health.
Sure.
And that's what we do. We look at your financial health. We advocate, different strategies for your personal budget and also, just as far as you building wealth in your life. And then we're going to find a product that's good for you, not for our pocketbook. Some other lenders really like to put you into like an FHA because they make a lot of money off of them. That might not be good for you. I saved somebody back in January. Her payment was $100 less on what I gave her. And it's going to be better for her over the long run versus what another lender was trying to do. They're trying to take the easy way out and get the loan done quickly and make themselves a bunch of money. But that's not what we do. We do what's good for you.
So if I'm buying a home, I need to call you first.
Absolutely.
Now, will my realtor call you?
For you? Yes, realtors call me. I have many different realtor partners and groups around all of Florida. I'm licensed in all of Florida. But I work very closely with my real estate partners, but I also get direct calls from clients themselves.
So if I tell my realtor to call you,
yes,
that's going to be more beneficial to me.
Either way, we can work it either way. I would love to hear from you directly, but also, saying to your realtor, hey, I've met this great person. You need to work with her as well. She's going to make your life easy because that's what we're here for, is to make the lives of our realtors and our other partners, such as financial planners and title folks and insurance people. We're here to try to make their lives easier too.
So I'm going out, for those that are trying to get pre-approved to buy a house, that kind of thing, I'm calling my bank or some commercial I see. I need to skip around that and just call you.
Exactly. We will shop for you, and I know exactly the right lender that's going to help you.
Are you like the kayak of mortgage?
Kind of. Yeah, or Travelocity or whatever you want to say.
All right, I'll bill you later for that.
Yeah. All right.
Or Travelocity. I see who you're picking. All right, well, I guess Kayak's not sponsoring this show anymore, but so I like that. So I don't have to, because it's like trying to find the right credit card, right? I mean, there's so many plans to choose from as a home buyer that I'm generally just going to trust my bank. A lot of people just go with that.
Exactly. So we're going to know the ins and outs of every type of loan that we do, the ups and the downs. It's not just an interest rate. People get lost in the bright shininess of maybe, there's an advertised low rate.
Okay, so let's slow down there, right? All right, if that thing's messing with you, you can pull it to you, pull it down. I'm getting one eye.
Okay.
All right, so let's, so there we go. And then very wide it. Get right up in that thing. There we are.
Okay.
All right, so most home buyers, right? Maybe first timers, right? They don't even know. So they're just going interest rate. That's it, right? And a lot of times the bank is going to flash that flashy little low interest rate at you. Mm-hmm. What might be waiting for me?
So there's a lot more to it than just interest rate, mortgage insurance and down payment, credit score, type of loan. It's all of that. It's like underneath the water of an iceberg. There's so much more that goes into it. And one loan might be easier and faster to qualify than another one. So we're going to know that as well, especially for a particular home that you're looking at. We're going to know, okay, for this type of home, for this kind of buyer, this is the kind of loan you need to do. It's going to be perfect for you. So it's not just about interest rate. It's about the entire picture.
Mm.
Yeah.
So just don't take the first flashy interest rate your bank is throwing at you.
Yeah.
I mean, because that's I think a lot of people tend to go that first route, right?
They do. They want it to be easy and simple and just check that box of like, okay, I got the mortgage handled, I'm done.
How much might that cost them, though?
Quite a bit. Like I said, the person last month, she would have been paying an extra $100 a month on a loan that wasn't really good for her. Yeah.
So you're shopping everything.
We are. Yeah. And we're looking at credit. We're talking about strategies. A lot of people don't realize, you might have to take care of that $300 medical bill that you don't want to because you don't feel you show it. But guess what? That could cost you $50 a month in your mortgage payment because of if you have a lower score, that equals a higher interest rate. So we talk about those strategies. So before you go looking at houses, before you find a realtor, before you do any of that, get with a mortgage professional who's going to look at your credit.
No, not a mortgage professional. You get with you.
Me. Yeah, exactly.
And where do people find you?
So I'm on Facebook, and my office is here in Lake Mary. Phone number is 407-927-4517. Pretty easy to Google or to look for. Yes.
All right. If I want to Google you, just your name, Shana Wooten?
Yes.
Just Shana Wooten.
Yes, that should come up. Mortgage lender or certified mortgage planners is here in Lake Mary. That pops up as well.
Oh, man. So your first call, people, if you're watching this, you maybe your first-time home buyer, you're not sure, even maybe second or third, maybe you already tapped into one of those bank quote shiny interest rate type loans and don't know. Really, it's to go here first.
Exactly. And also for those people who have gone elsewhere, if they've told you no, give me a call. I do turn downs for
you break legs.
Yes, we do turn downs from the other lenders, and the other builders in our area will call us and say, can you get this one done? So we have all kinds of products, not just your typical Fannie, Freddie, FHA, USDA conventional, but we also have the portfolios, the bank, one day out of bankruptcy, foreclosure, bank statement programs, and we do private loans as well. So we're kind of one-stop shopping for everything.
This is perfect. So, I mean, anybody's been denied, or maybe if they think they can't get a house, they've been turned down by the bank maybe.
Exactly. So we have lots of different banks and lots of different avenues. So what may have not been good at one place, we can change. We can go to a different lender. We know who can I will do that as well.
Well, see, that's worth a phone call right there, just to say, hey, maybe you don't want to buy right now.
Get to a point where it's good for them already to buy. We check, every.
This is an alternative. I mean, there's they can't buy a house.
Exactly.
How often do you find that's wrong?
At least a few times a week. We get people who, think that their plans are maybe a year or two out, and once we've done talking, they're excited and they can move forward sooner than they thought.
Wow, so people that have been turned down, people think they're finding them not only better interest rates, but better loans that work for them. I mean, like credit counselors meets kayak meets, there's nothing else like this right now.
Exactly.
That's a beautiful thing.
Absolutely.
All right, Shana, where can everybody else find your website, anything like that?
Yeah, certified mortgage planners here in Lake Mary. We have a website also. I have a Facebook website too, just Shana Wooten Finance. You can find me there.
All right, well, we got you tagged here, Shana Wooten. I believe we got everything tagged properly here. Certified mortgage planner, Shana Wooten, NMLS is tagged there. You'll find it on this post, and just share this to your page too so people can get to know you personally and what you do.
Awesome. Sounds good. Thank
you, Shana.
Alrighty.